Guruji, in life, we often encounter some situations where we feel we are wronged by someone, and the pain makes it difficult to move forward. Though we know forgiveness is a path for inner peace, but sometimes the desire for justice or sometimes even revenge takes over. So, my question is how can one truly forgive or let go of this resentment, and especially when the heart runs deep?
No doubt, this is the realistic experience. In this mundane life, we encounter so many situations when we truly feel that we have been wronged, that we have been hurt, and there are people who are busy in committing such mistakes. Such mischiefs are prevailing everywhere, in every section of life. Everywhere people are there who are enjoying only in harming others. Even if they are not benefited out of it because of this fear or that fear, or simply because of their own joy, which they derive in hurting others, that they are busy in doing all such mischiefs. Now the question arises, what should be my response to such a situation? What should be your response to such a situation? Either you should take up your cudgels and start fighting and finishing them, or having a deep trust in the powers of this existence. If you have deep trust and you move on to find your own path in your own way that is available in abundance everywhere, leaving it to the existence to take its own course and to make sure that the concerned parties are punished and affected in their own way, without in any way troubling yourself, just trying to forget and just being in a mode of forgiving them. You move on and devote all your energies to carve out your own new path. You will ultimately find, I have seen it, and all the enlightened masters of this world are an evidence. They bear testimony to this truth, that such forces are bound to meet their own doom. You have not to actively try to cause any concern in this regard. Otherwise, your own energy will be dissipated into it. You will not have enough energy to carve out your own path. And at the same time, you will unnecessarily disturb yourself in finding and formulating strategies to wage war against them. Once you finish it from your mind, you become quite fresh and new, and the achievements which will follow and the achievements which will automatically come to your hand will be a great answer to them. So there is no need unnecessarily putting yourself into trouble by pursuing any course of action which goes to harm them. Rather, take care of your own being. Be thankful to the existence that they are perhaps going to open new and better opportunities for you, so that you can bloom in a much larger way, and your fragrance will reach everywhere, even to those who have harmed you, and then they will themselves be feeling sigh of it. They will themselves be put to shame, without in any way trying to put them to shame through your own actions. Let the existence offer them the right answer. Thank you.